Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you how I plan my renovation project using an easy-to-use app called HomeByMe. For some context, my house is considered almost like a rebuild, where I have to tear down walls and do new extension to build new rooms. Plus, having to make decisions on the design theme, color selections and decor arrangement can be a little bit challenging without any tool for visualization. Thankfully, I found the right application to help me with this. Locate the tool with your browser by going to home.by.me. You can start off by signing up for a free account. For me, since I have already an account, I'm going to sign in via my Facebook. Right here, you can see the various projects that I've created previously. Let's go in one of them so I can show you the navigation. Right down here is a 2D view or 3D view that helps you navigate and make necessary changes on your project. You can drag your mouse moving left and right to give you a different angle. The 2D view gives you a top view of your floor plan. You can use mouse scroll to zoom in or zoom out, or drag the mouse to see different areas of your floor plan. If you click on the footsteps icon, you are brought to the point of view of the character. The navigation control is similar to using Google Street View. Personally, I don't like this view too much as it can get a little bit dizzy and confusing sometimes. Okay, let's go ahead and create a new project, shall we? So I can show you some basics to get you going. You can go through the tutorial video if you like to, but I will be skipping it for now. Let's enter our project name and select the type of housing. For our case, we don't have a floor plan, so let us create a new room. Select bedroom type and then click on Create. This is the room you have just created. Click on the wall. Let's adjust the room wall measurement a little bit. The measurements here are in feet and inches. Okay, now our bedroom needs a door and some windows. Click on this icon and select Build. Look for a door design of your choice and then we add it into the room. Alright, the placement here is a little bit off. Let's just change the properties. Let's flip it to a different side. Next, we need some windows too. Click on this icon again and then select Build. Look for windows. Let's put it there. Then we'll check it on the 3D view. The room is too plain for now. I would want to add some different flooring materials. Click on the floor surface, then select Edit. Now you can choose a different flooring material. Let's decorate the wall as well. Make this an accent wall with a different color. This wallpaper is a bit too tacky, not really something I would like. Let's just choose a solid color for our accent wall. Now, let's add some furniture. Click on this icon again and then select Furnish. We'll need a bed now. Let's take this one. Rotate to the orientation I want. Something to point out, different countries have different bed sizes. Check out the properties of the object you have added and make necessary adjustments. I think I'll put it in this position. Next, I'll add some bedside table. Adjust it a little. Duplicate another one. That's about right. Let's add some table lamp as well. Duplicate another one. Alright, we'll need a wardrobe as well. Let's add this one. I was spending too much time shopping around and added picture frames, a rug, and an extra floor lamp. Next, I want to show you that for a free account, you can actually get 2 realistic images to be rendered to preview your design. Click on the camera icon and choose the option for Realistic Image. You can position your favorite view to take a photo. Then the app will do a 3D realistic render of your project. Upon sending the request, once the render is completed, you will be notified via email. I got the notification a few hours later. Let's have a look. It looks alright. I hope this video helps you in your interior design journey. Have fun and bye!